Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. It has been a while. I wanted to share with you an update on the most recent project that I have been working on, the self-balancing robot. This project was, to be honest, one of the hardest projects that I have worked on. And I think I managed to get it to a working state now, alhamdulillah. You can see it, here it is. You can see it's balancing. Here, wait. It is balancing, but it's, oscillates for some reason. And you can see that I actually trust it enough to let it balance on my tiny desk. I mean, it's good. It's good. Okay. Yeah, stop it. Yeah. You see the amount of trust I have? Yeah, that shows something. Anyways, the reason for the oscillation is, I believe, because I need an encoded DC motor. So far these are like normal DC motors, 12-volt DC motors. And in order to get it to stay put, I would need an encoder for these DC motors. To know the rotation of each motor and know how far it traveled, how far it traveled. And also you can see sometimes it just rotates like this. It's because one of the motors is a little bit stronger and faster than the other one. So in the long term, it just rotates around itself like that. Yeah. I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna continue working on it and try to improve on it. I'm gonna see if I can add like an optical encoder or quadrotor encoder. I think it's called. Yeah. That might solve the issue of the oscillating, but it's working so far. And this project has presented so many challenges, and I am glad that I managed to solve each one of them, and that actually taught me a lot of valuable lessons. At first I had a problem choosing the right motors, because I had some weak motors that didn't work. I needed to try to measure the weight and see how much torque each motor should give. And I had to do some calculations that I didn't do before. I don't know why. But I managed to get the motor working. Then I had a problem with power management, because you can see I have the Arduino, I have the MPU 6050, and I have the HC Bluetooth module here. They all take power, as well as the motors from these three LiPo batteries. I had some issues with the powering because sometimes the MPU doesn't work, and sometimes the HC06, the Bluetooth module, didn't work. But I managed to solve them, alhamdulillah. And then I can say one of the difficult aspects of this project was the coding, specifically with the PID controller. I had to tune each PID value individually and also tune the set point to find the best set point for this robot. That was annoying to do, to say the least. But I managed to do it. I managed to control and change and update the PID controllers in real time with my phone, like through the Bluetooth communication. And yeah, it's working so far. That's good. Also, you can see here the design that I made. I designed mostly everything here. There are some parts that I took online just for reference. But yeah, I went through so many iterations to get to this point, to get a good design that that is easy to repair if anything goes wrong. Like, for example, if something goes wrong with the battery, like the batteries are easy to remove. Like, I have something like a drawer type. Like, you can just slide them out and just replace the batteries to take out to charge them. Just put them back in. And then I 3D printed all of these parts in my 3D printer. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna improve on this. I have some ideas for it, actually, and also have some other projects that I am working on at the moment. So yeah, we'll see. See you soon.